Hey, sixth grade, welcome back to library. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020, and our assignment today is pretty simple. So if you read my email, I am out of town for the week. I'm in Buffalo with my family because my grandmother passed away. And so I will not be having Zoom today or Thursday. So if you have a question, you can email me. I will be checking my email throughout the day. But I just want to be able to spend time with my family while I'm home. Her memorial service is on Wednesday. So anyway, today I wanted to just keep it simple since I won't be having Zoom for you guys. Your first step here is to watch the lesson video. And then we're just going to go old school, and I want you to spend 10 to 15 minutes reading a book of your choice. This could be a book for school if you have a book that you're reading for language arts, or it could just be a book that you have at home that you enjoy. And then after you do that, around 1:45, I'd like for you to use the rest of the class time to do an activity from the choice board. So I created this over the weekend. And there are 6 different choices of things that you can do. Some of them are digital, some of them are artistic and creative, some of them will use your engineering skills. So just take a look at those and see which one you might be interested in doing. They all have a link, and the links are at the bottom of each description. So once you do an activity, you can come back to the exit ticket. This is very simple, just telling me which activity you completed, why you chose it, and one thing you learned from the activity. So once you do that, you'll be done for the day. If you want to do the choice board first and then read, that's fine. You can flip-flop it and do it that way. Yeah, but that's all for today. You have class today, obviously Tuesday, and then again on Thursday. So like I said, feel free to email me if you have questions, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye.